Transportation and logistics play a crucial role in our daily lives. From the delivery of goods to the transportation of people, the industry is constantly looking for ways to improve efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness. With the advent of virtual reality, VR, the transportation and logistics industry is poised for a major transformation. In this video, we will explore the role of VR in the future of transportation and logistics, its potential benefits, and how it is being used today. Firstly, let's understand what VR is. Virtual reality is a technology that simulates a real-world environment or situation through a computer-generated simulation. This technology has already been utilized in various fields like entertainment, gaming, education, and healthcare. And now, the transportation and logistics industry is also exploring the potential of this technology. The use of VR in transportation and logistics has the potential to revolutionize the industry in numerous ways. One such way is in the area of training. VR allows for the creation of realistic simulations that can be used to train drivers, pilots, and other transportation professionals. These simulations can be used to train for a variety of situations, from driving in adverse weather conditions to handling hazardous materials. By using VR, transportation and logistics companies can provide their employees with realistic and immersive training experiences that help them prepare for real-life situations. Another area where VR can have a significant impact is in the design and planning of transportation systems. Transportation and logistics companies can use VR to create detailed and accurate virtual simulations of transportation networks, warehouses, and logistics centers. These simulations can be used to test and optimize the design of these systems, making them more efficient and cost-effective. One of the most promising applications of VR in transportation and logistics is in the area of autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are expected to revolutionize the transportation industry, and VR can play a critical role in their development and deployment. By using VR, developers can create virtual simulations that allow them to test the performance of autonomous vehicles in a variety of environments and situations. This can help them identify and fix potential issues before deploying these vehicles on real roads. In addition to these applications, VR can also have a significant impact on supply chain management. VR simulations can be used to create accurate representations of warehouses and distribution centers, allowing managers to optimize the placement of goods and equipment. This can help reduce costs, improve efficiency, and minimize errors. Moreover, VR can be used to improve the customer experience in transportation and logistics. For example, customers can use VR to take virtual tours of shipping and logistics centers, allowing them to get a sense of how their products are being handled and shipped. This can help build trust and confidence in the transportation and logistics company, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. In conclusion, virtual reality has enormous potential in the transportation and logistics industry. From training and design to supply chain management and customer experience, VR can be used to improve efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness in numerous ways. As the technology continues to develop and evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of VR in the transportation and logistics industry. Thank you for watching this video on the role of VR in the future of transportation and logistics. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos on the latest technological advancements.